Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode in a series of tutorials for the row scale system on Roblox. In today's episode we're going to be showing how to place trains and install the DCC system into its appropriate locations. In this tutorial we're going to be working off the coal mine set, so this will apply for every other official set made. We're just going to use the coal mine set. So we're going to have the Explorer open, which if you don't have it already, you can click View and then hit the Explorer, which will toggle it. You might have to move it around to the place you want, so you can see you can move it to different places. I like having it here. So then, yep, and then we can go over to the coal mine set. Or you can either select it in the Explorer, or you can just click on it, or you can click and drag, and it will highlight whatever it highlights over. But we're just going to click on the coal mine set, and you see this arrow here. You can click it, and it will open up and show all the children of the coal mine set. And we're going to go ahead and take to the DCC system folder. We're going to left click and drag this and move it down, hover over replicated storage and let go, and that will move it into replicated storage. And then we'll go ahead and take the Roblox interaction giver and move it into server scripts service. Excuse me. And then we can go ahead and also at this time take any controllers you've inserted. So the DCC controller included with the coal mine set, the programmer and consist editor, which can be inserted from as separate models. And we're going to go put them into starter pack. So any player who joins will have these controllers. All right, and that's basically it for having this. Oh wait, we can get rid of the DCC system installer because we've already installed the system. So now if I insert any other packs, the first thing you're going to want to do is go inside and delete everything that we just put into here. But inside that, you just want to delete those because you already have them installed. You don't need them. They'll just lag and bug your game. And possibly bug your game. We can, if you want to, you can have the rolling stock collision groups, and put that into server scripts service. And DCC permissions, I'm not going to use. I can show you in a later tutorial on how to use that. So we're just going to delete it. I'm just going to show you that that's a thing. That will basically make it so only certain people can do switches, drive trains, even if they have the controller. Okay. Okay, this next thing is on how to place trains on the tracks, which I've seen a lot of people ask. How do I place trains on the track? It's actually quite simple. The first things you need to check is in this model tab, or even in this home tab, but I would go into the model tab because you have more stuff to look at. Make sure collisions is not checked. So if it's checked, then it'll have this little highlight behind it. You want to disable that because otherwise you just won't be able to put the train on the track. And I would have your move at 0.1 or lower or unchecked, unchecking will make it 0. It will make it really fine. The lowest it can go. So then you're going to need to use the move tool. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this chair car. And the nice thing is it's about the right height by just dragging it. So drag it up next to the track without it bumping up. Then grab with the move tool, grab whatever arrow that would go over the track, click and hold, and just move the cart or whatever you call them, until the wheels are about lined up with the track, like this. So it doesn't need to be perfect. You see how it's not perfectly on the tracks? This is still okay. It can be about maybe that off or that or like that off. It'll still work. It just needs to be close. So then we're going to also drag it so the wheels are about level with the track. They can again be a little, not that off, but a little off, like that or maybe like that. It's just I like to have it so the wheels are just a little bit inside the rails because it's just a fail safe. So now if we test this, which I'm going to go ahead and play here because I don't have a spawn location. Oh, by the way, you can find this game on my profile if you want to play it. And it will be on copy lock, so you can copy. As I make these episodes, you can go ahead and take a copy for your own and edit it how you like. See, the train does move, so we've installed everything correctly. And let's see if we've put the car on correctly. So we're going to go ahead and hook up to it, in which it does work. So we've put everything on correctly. So now we have our very own layout. Alright, in the next episode, we're going to show you how to expand your layout off of the coal mine set and also how to start your own layout from scratch.